Have you ever imagined losing all your photos, videos, documents, or important files from your MacBook? A hardware failure, accidental deletion, or software issue can happen anytime. That's why creating regular backups is one of the most important things every Mac user should do. In this video, we are going to discuss how to backup MacBook. So let's get started. Before we begin, you will need an external hard drive, a storage capacity equal to or larger than your MacBook storage, so that the backup will be completely go on the hard drive. Once you have your external drive ready, connect it to your MacBook. Plug your external hard drive into your MacBook using the appropriate cable. After connecting, macOS may automatically ask it you would like to use the drive for Time Machine backups. If you see this prompt, click use a backup disk. If this prompt does not appear, don't worry, I will show you how to set it up manually. As you can see, my hard drive is connected. You can see on my desktop. Now click on the Apple menu here. Now go on System Preferences. Now you can see here Time Machine. Click on Time Machine. Now you can see here select backup disk. Just click on select backup disk. Now select the hard drive. Then click on use disk. As you can see, I have my important files on my hard drive. That's why it is showing that it is full. I have not erased my hard drive because I have some important things on it. That's why. So if your hard drive has files, large files, or any documents, just take the backup from the hard drive if it is important. Otherwise, erase the hard drive, then continue to the backup, and your backup will be start immediately. And it takes some minute to complete it. When the backup will complete, what you have to do, just click on this hard drive, right click on it, then you can see here eject, click on eject, and your hard drive will safely removed. While Time Machine is excellent for full system backups, you can also enable iCloud Drive for additional cloud protection. For that, what you have to do, again go on Apple menu, go on System Preferences. Now click on the Apple ID. Now you can see here iCloud. Now just check this box iCloud Drive, then go on Options. Now just check the box of the apps which you want to take backup, and enable desktop and document folders. It is important and it is very useful also, because for your convenience you always use main files on your desktop. So enable it and then click on done, and that's it. That's how you can back up your MacBook using Time Machine and iCloud. Regular backups protect your photos, documents, apps, and settings from unexpected problems. If you have never backed up your Mac before, now is the perfect time to start. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more MacBook tutorials on this channel. Thank you for watching.